Buying sewing tools and equipment as a beginner can be overwhelming sometimes because there are a whole lot of things to choose from. So in this video, we are going to learn the basic tools and equipment you will need to start your sewing journey. I'll also add some useful extras that you can add to your basic kits to build it up. Hi, this is Helena and welcome to Learn with Helena's YouTube channel. As a beginner, you can start with a well-equipped sewing kit which should include a measuring tape. Tape measure. A tape measure is necessary not only to take body measurements but also to help measure fabric, seams, etc. Scissors. You will need at least 2 scissors in your basic sewing kit. One for cutting fabric and the other for cutting your pattern. I recommend not to use your fabric scissors to cut patterns and vice versa. Pins. Pins are required to hold fabrics together prior to sewing it permanently. This is used to keep needles and pins safe and clean or tidy. Sewing clips. These are used to hold fabric, seams, or layers together. Hand sewing needles. This is used for hand sewing. There are different types of needles, so choose what is best for your project to save you some frustrations. Tracing wheel. A tracing wheel is used to transfer marks from a pattern paper or to create designs on fabric. Fabric marker or dressmaker's pencil. This is used to make temporal marks on fabric. You will also need seam ripper. This is used to remove any stitches that have been sewn in the wrong place. You will also need thread in your basic sewing kit. Threads are essential for hand and machine sewing. They come in various colors. Since thread comes in a lot of colors, start by buying white and black, and buy as and when a project will require other colors. Again, threads are made from polyester whilst others are made from cotton and rayon. I recommend buying polyester all-purpose thread, which can be used to sew all types of fabrics, almost all types of fabrics. Safety pins. They are for emergency repairs as well as threading elastics. Thimble. This is used to protect the end of your finger when hand sewing. You can also add pattern paper to your basic sewing kit. Pattern papers are used to draft pattern. Pencils for drafting your patterns. You can add rulers and curves to your basic sewing kit. These are used for drafting or altering pattern. To build up your basic sewing kit, you need pressing aids. Pressing is crucial if you want your project to have a neat and professional finish. Without pressing, your project can look too homemade. Pressing aids include, but not limited to, a good steam iron and ironing board. Sewing organizer or sewing box. This is used to organize or hold your sewing tools and accessories so that they are ready at hand when needed. Last but very important item is a sewing machine. Whether you want to do a quick repair or sew a bunch of items, a sewing machine will help speed up your job. There are a lot of sewing machines to choose from, so choose based on the project you will be doing often. But as a beginner, domestic sewing machine or hand operated sewing machine will be fine. In our next video, we will learn how to read the tape measure accurately. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.